We're here again today with the 038. I'm going to put the shaft back down in the body of the oiler, and I thought I'd give you a look. It's got a flat side that runs down. Of course, this is the part that goes into the body of it. Well, that wasn't hard at all. Got it up to about 270 and just tapped it in, really lightly. So in hindsight, I wouldn't have removed that. I would have removed everything else because I would have had to have heated it up. But I would just heat it up, remove the piston and pump or springs, whatever, O-rings. Heated it up and just pick the seal out. That would have been the best way to do it. But I think they use this. This is a great pump, I think. But they used it like on only three saws. So understanding how it works on these is not a bad thing. It's still kind of warm to touch. But I need to set the seal in and then reassemble it. So let's see. So that's the part that will go upward. That'll go down. There she goes. You don't want to get it too hot on this one, which would be easy to do. I heated it and pushed it down in there. Of course, it was too hot to touch with the blade of the screwdriver, the flat side of it, and then started blowing like crazy. Wouldn't hurt to have your air compressor right there where you could cool it down immediately. So that's got to cool completely before I put that rubber under any stress, and we'll put it back together. That washer's like made out of nylon or something. I don't see my little pin. It was here. It must be on the floor again. Well, I can't find the pin. I want to tell you something. I got it. I didn't find the pin. It's gone forever. But I got a piece of solid copper electrical wire that goes through there. I should trim it. But I fill that up with grease and put the rubber plug back in it. And fill that up. And we're ready to go. I don't have any more time today, but that's awesome. You got to really be careful with that little pin. I mean, that thing got gone. All right. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.